familiar? Do you recognize that? Who is it?
It looks like Daddy.
You think so?
Yes.
What looks familiar?
I said it looks like Daddy.
That's funny. Well, what parts do you think looks like Dadu?
The hair.
The hair. Yeah, the hair's right on. Hey, Cat. Hey, Catty, come here.
And the whole body.
Oh, okay.
That's Dadu.
Do you think, who does that look like, Cat?
Dadu.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I'm done with voting.
What do you think looks like him?
What is that? She laid in the glass.
Yeah.
Oh, and also the nose. The nose looks like his nose.
Oh, you think so? I think it looks like a toucan.